Probably the most rewarding thing about being a personal injury attorney is being able to help the little people that are being run over by the big insurance companies. To be able to stand up to the insurance companies and say, hey, this is not right, it's not acceptable, and you guys need to do what's right. Sometimes we're able to do that through negotiations, sometimes we have to file a lawsuit. Ultimately, it's your decision on the avenue that it takes, but we are willing to take them to the mat and make them be responsible and help you achieve some sense of justice. Our philosophy at our law firm is that we work for you, you're our boss. The biggest complaint that attorneys seem to get is that they're not available to their clients. And we like to make ourselves available. That's why at our law firm there's going to be at least 2 attorneys working on every case. So if you can't get a hold of one of the attorneys, you can get in touch with the other attorney. If I'm on the case, then my clients have my cell phone number. If they want to get a hold of me, they can get a hold of me just like my wife. And I just think it's important that you as a client understand that we know we work for you, you're the boss, you're the #1 priority. You're not going to be a number in our law firm like some of the big law firms. You're not going to be ignored. A lot of the big law firms will send out what I consider to be a salesperson or a non-attorney to meet with you and sign you up and then decide later if they want to keep your case. You will always, when you're signed up with our law firm or when you hire us, you will always meet with an attorney, and you'll continue to be represented by an attorney, not by some paralegal. I think that our past clients would say that we care about them. We treat them the same way that we would treat our friends and our family. I'm not going to give advice to a client that I wouldn't give to my mother or my children or something like that were involved in an accident. And most people that are injured in automobile accidents, they really do need an attorney to represent them. They need someone to advocate for them, to be willing to call the insurance companies on the mat and go forward if it's necessary. The insurance companies know which attorneys file lawsuits, which ones don't file a lawsuit. We have the experience, we have the resources, we have the staff to be able to pursue your case vigorously and to be able to represent you well.